Welcome to my YouTube channel Raise a Cat. Today we will see how the alcohols are formed from the esters. Okay, so what is the mechanism from which we can make the alcohols from the ester? Okay, so this is a topic in the organic chemistry. Okay, so if the mechanism is asked how the alcohols is formed from the esters, so we can tell. Okay, so what is the formula of the ester? So ester, what is the formula? The formula is RCOOR. So if you will find like this structure RCOOR, you can say that this is an ester. Okay, so this R1 and this is R1 and R2. So R1 can be different and R2 can be different. R1 can be another alkane, alkene, alkyne, alkane, alkene, alkyne, and this can also be another alkane, alkene, and alkyne. Okay, so this is an R1 and R2. R1 can be alkane, alkyne, and R2 can be alkane, alkene, alkyne. These both can be different and both can be same, and the structure will be RCOOR. So this structure will be present, CO and O. So then we will say that it is an ester. Okay. So for forming these alcohols from these esters, alcohols from ester. So suppose that what help we will take. So this is a structure of this ester RCOOR. Okay, so we will take one anion or a base, anion or a base. So it can be OH minus. Okay, it can be any negatively charged anion. Okay, it can be anything which is a negatively charged anion. Okay, so suppose that this is A minus. Okay, so this A minus will attack here. Okay, so suppose that A minus is OH. Okay, so this A minus OH will attack here. Okay, so this bond will be broken. Okay, so CO, this OH minus will attack here. Okay, and why this this OH minus will attack here only at this carbon atom? So what is the reason? The reason is that this carbon atom is most positively charged carbon atom. How this carbon is most positively charged? Because this is connected to these two atoms which are electronegative in nature. And what these electronegative elements are doing, these electronegative atoms are taking the electron density from this carbon atom. Okay, so the electron density. So suppose that there is a two atom C1 and C2. These are not necessarily the carbon atom. These are two any atoms which are C1 and C2. If they are neutral, so what will be the situation? The electron density will be at the center. But what will happen? The electron density, how it will change? If it is a more electronegative, so it will take the electron density from this C2. Okay, so then it will be having a positive, more positive sign. Okay, so more electropositive in nature. The C2 will become now more electropositive in nature, and the C1 will be more electronegative in nature. So this and only thing here, the two O which are connected are doing. This O is taking the electron density from this carbon atom, and this carbon atom is, this O is also taking this electron density from here. So this carbon is very electropositive. So when the O will be inserted and this ester will be there, so it will check which is the most electropositive. So it will be attracted toward that atom. Okay, so here the most electropositive is this C atom, so the OH minus will be attracted towards this and will attack at this. Oh, okay. So when it will attack at this carbon atom, this pi bond will be broken. Okay. So what will be the structure when this OH minus will attack here? Okay. So suppose that this was the sign of the ester RCOOR2. Okay, and this OH minus attacked. Okay, so the structure which will be formed will be RCO minus, okay, OR2. Okay, so the structure will be like this. And what will be happen next? This minus sign will attack here and this bond will be broken. Okay, because this is an unstable. Okay, so it will again attack here. This is A. Okay, which is connected, or the OH. So what will be formed? RCO OH plus RO R2O minus. Okay, so this is acid and this is alcohol. These are the two species which are formed. Okay, and this again, this R2O minus, this H plus will be provided from the solution and this R2OH will be formed, or the alcohol will be formed. Okay, so this can be CH3OH. If R is CH3, this can be CH3OH. If R is CH3CH2, this will be CH3CH2OH. So like this, the various alcohol, methanol, ethanol, propanol, butanol will be formed. So this is the reaction mechanism which will be followed for forming alcohols from the ester. Okay, so this is an organic chemistry topic which is there. So if it is asked how the alcohols will be formed, or which alcohol will be formed, if we have to tell, then we can easily tell what is the answer. Okay, so suppose that, taking one question, so suppose that there is one species like this, CH3, CH2, CH2, C double bond O, O, CH2, CH3 and OH minus. Okay, it is reacted like this. Okay, when this ester is reacted with OH minus ion, or the OH minus ions are introduced in the solution containing this ester, what is the name of alcohol which will be formed? Name of alcohol. Okay, we have to tell what is the name of the alcohol. So alcohol name will be nothing else but the ethanol, CH3 CH2 OH. Okay, so we have to just see what is this structure and just add H, and we have to tell the answer. We don't have to solve the whole question, or we don't have to remember anything. Okay, so if this structure is given and what we have asked that which alcohol will be formed, we can easily tell that ethanol will be formed. Okay, so if the question is like this, suppose that this is this structure. Okay, this is the CH3. So which alcohol will be formed now? CH3OH. Now the alcohol will be methanol. So like this, the if we are asked the name of the various alcohols and given the what is the ester structure, we can easily tell what is the name of the alcohol which will be there. Okay. So in the MCQ type questions, it will be very, very important to know this type of reactions and what will be the, how will come up with the name of the alcohol which will be formed from the structure. Okay. Thank you.